Hi, this is Nick Farquhar. I work for Bodnar Boat Works. Today I'm going to show you the importance of a full service, which we offer here. Basically what we're going to go through, it's boat, motor, and trailer. Complete service. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the water pump. We're going to start with the engine. We change the engine oil, filters, fuel filters. We also service the drive. We remove it, pressure check it. We vacuum test it, fill it with new gear lube, check engine alignment. We also check gimbal bearings, bellows, you name it on the drive, we check it. We also go through the trailer, we jack up the trailer, check for any wobbles, we check the brake systems on it, fluids, tire pressures. And what we're going to do is we're going to go a little bit more in depth. I'll show you the main key components, and we'll go through, show you some good, some bad, make sure that we get all the services covered. We got engine oil that we go through and we check. This is the dipstick to check it. Engine coolant, we make sure that level's good. We change it if necessary. The particular water pump on this particular one is going to be down the bottom of the motor. It's a brass housing pump. It's got the Gen 3 cool fuel system on it. We also go through, we check spark plugs. We check them all, make sure those are all firing correctly. We got the air cleaner, make sure that's nice and clean. We go through, we check the belts, which is basically runs all your pulleys. Make sure there's no frays, no cracks. If there is, that needs to be replaced. We go through, we change the oil filter, which is back in here. We got power steering fluid, and your gear lube, which is down here as well on the top of the motor. And then basically we just go through the whole system, make sure that's good to go. All right. And then right now we're at the drive part of the service. This is a Bravo 1X drive. This is used for like a little beefier motors. This one has a 496 in it, so it's got the X drive on it. And what we do here is we pull it. We check, gimbal, transom area, pressure test the drive, all that good stuff. So what we're going to do now is we'll pull it and then we'll check it. Here's the Bravo X drive. And now we got the drive removed. We're going to check the major stuff in the transom area. Basically, we got the U-joint bellows, you got the gimbal, which are major parts of the service. Basically, you check for water, cracks, and the smoothness of the gimbal bearing. And you also check engine alignment while you got it off. Now this is the brass seawater pump. Basically what happened here, this is why we recommend a service every year. All this pump does, it sucks in anything that's in the lake, debris, sand, trash, it'll suck it right in here. That gets in there, you'll break off fins. It's gonna look just like this. This is why we recommend it every year. This here is the impeller, missing fins. Here's all the little pieces that we got here. So that's something we do in our annual service. That's why we recommend once a year on these particular pumps. All right, now we're gonna pull the prop off. Basically what we're gonna be checking is for grease, any fishing line. And we do got fishing line. This is probably one of the main culprits. This sits in the water below. This is something that we always check during our services. Fishing line, it gets caught in there, breaks that seal apart. You get water in that drives and that lead could costly repairs. So yeah, that's something we also check in our service. Bodnar Boat Works services are designed to make sure your engine and drive are lubricated properly, cooling properly, and within specifications to maintain longevity of your engine and drive for trouble-free boating.
All right, here at Bodnar Boat Works, we do a lot of remans. On this particular boat, we did a transom repair that was rotted out, so we have to pull the engine and then we do our transom and we put the engine back in. This happens to be a 502 mag going into a Baja speedboat.